So we're making pasta fazool. We have some olive oil in the pan. How much did we put? About approximately? Okay.
About a quarter cup.
And we have it on high heat right now. We also have half of a big white onion. You can use any kind of onion, I'm sure. Bell pepper.
Basil.
Oh.
And oregano. And garlic.
Yeah, you
And
can.
how many cloves of garlic did we use?
Oh my God, I use a lot. I love garlic.
Well, how much in a head? Like on one head? Or?
Well, you know, there was about 7 cloves here. You don't have to
Okay.
use that much, though. You could use
If
less.
you love garlic, you can use
Yes, you could. That's you could do.
We have 2 cans of cannellini beans
Cannelloni.
and 16 ounces of crushed tomatoes.
Okay.
And we're going to make.
Put in a half an onion, half a pepper, bell pepper.
Yeah, we
I
are.
usually don't. You don't have to use bell pepper. I just like it. And some basil.
And we're still on high heat right now.
Yeah, just a little while. And then I'm going to put about a teaspoon of oregano. I like to crush it between my hands. It lets out the flavor more. I'll put a little bit now. I like oregano.
Right, there's the heart. And
Then we're going to put in the garlic in a little bit because we don't want to put it in right away because it burns fast. So we'll wait until it's cooked for a little bit. It's been about 3 minutes. Let it cook for about 3 minutes or so. And then I'm going to add the garlic. There's a lot of garlic. A lot of people, you just put what you want. 1 clove, 3 cloves, 10, you know, whatever. However you like it. To your taste. Then after this, you wait about a minute or so. The garlic burns fast. Okay, so and you know, some people from different parts of Italy don't use any tomato sauce at all. And they use a smoked meat in there or something, but you don't eat meat, so I'm not going to put any meat in it.
are you putting it on YouTube? How do we do that?
Okay, I'm going to add the sauce. Oh, and now, I hope Daddy has salt. Sometimes he doesn't even have salt here. Look for the salt in there. And if he has some black pepper.
What else? We need more for our gravy.
I'm going to lower it now.
So we're lowering it now to what? Low?
Just put it on 1.
Simmering low for now.
Yeah. And I'm going to use some salt. I never measure, I'm sorry. Let's do it like this. Everything I do is by eye. I never measure anything. So that's how
Black pepper?
my mom's used to say, a little pinch of this, pinch of that, a handful, but never any measuring.
I'll see it.
Let me have it, Mama.
Okay.
Oh, that's too big. Put it on the other side. What the heck?
No. Yeah, no.
Okay, and I'm gonna put some pepper. However you like it, you know, to your own taste. I'm gonna put it a little bit higher. I want it to
Turn
stay
it up now
Yeah,
to
I
about
just
3
want-
and 4.
I just didn't want to go so low that it's just, you know, I wanted to keep on cooking until I have everything in there, and then I'll
6.
lower it. See, it stopped boiling. I didn't want it to go down there.
So we're back to 8, and then we're gonna put in some cannellini beans.
Cannellonis. Isn't it cannellini?
No.
Cannellini. Okay.
And the water's not drained from the beans, so you kept the water inside of the beans.
Yeah. Gives it a little more thickness. And if you don't like it too saucy like this, just put half a can.
So about 16 ounces. And then we're turning it back up to high.
Yeah, let's bring it to a boil and then who's that? Oh. Where was I?
Let it sit for...
Oh, I'm gonna bring it to a boil after I put, you saw that I put a can in that water? Okay. I'm just let it come to a boil and then we'll lower it and cover it part way. Just leave it off a little bit to cover so it'll...
For about 30 minutes or something?
Yeah, we're gonna let it cook for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna boil the pasta in a separate pot because I don't want it to absorb all this liquid. Like,
Okay. So we let it come to a boil first before we actually seal it, and we're going to leave it cracked for about 30 minutes. Into a boil,
It calms them all down.
and we're going to stir it a little bit here and seal it. We turned it down to about 2 now after a few minutes.
all we have to do is put the cooked pasta in here. See, we're cooking the pasta over here. Let it cook. It's sticking a little bit.
Now we just finished boiling some pasta separately, and we're going to pour it into the
Fazool. Fazool. That's beans.
We're going to call this Vanis. Vanis. This is going to be called Vanis.
Say Fazool.
Vanos.
Fazool.
I'm going to call it
That's
Vanos.
beans.
mixing it up in the fazool.
Yeah.
And just let it rest for 5 minutes. Let it soak a little of that sauce
We're
in
going to
there.
let it rest.
For 5 minutes.
Yeah, for 5 minutes. Then we'll
And it's on
that.
3 right now.
Yeah. We'll.
Give it just 5 minutes or so.
And then
I'm just making a plate for Daddy so it'll cool off a little because he eats so
I want
fast.
to serve.